Morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Love 500 and welcome back to my first giveaway. I don't think I've done any giveaways before, but today I am doing one. I mentioned it to you recently that I'm going to be giving away numerous things, and this is the first one. So stay tuned and see what it is today I'm giving away. No cost to you whatsoever. All you have to do is comment on this video. Let me show you what we've got. As I promised, I'm going to start doing some giveaways now. Once I reached 10,000 subscribers, I was going to start giving stuff away. Now, you remember recently I did a very short video of a review of an Apple CarPlay wired to wireless adapter. This works in the vast majority of cars that have factory fitted Apple CarPlay, wired Apple CarPlay. It doesn't work on aftermarket units, it has to be a factory fitted. I did it on an Audi Q5, I think it was. Worked perfectly, seamlessly. My cars have all got either nothing at all, or they've got Apple wireless CarPlay already, so it's of no use to me. But the manufacturers have sent me another one, and here it is. This one is a more expensive one. This one does not only Apple CarPlay, but also does Android Auto as well, whereas the other one was just Apple CarPlay. It's sealed, as you can see. It's still got the cellophane around it. It's sealed in the box. It retails at the moment on Amazon for £59.99. It is. I will put the link to it here, and I will link to it within the description. If you want to buy it, if you don't win it and you want to buy yourself one, I'll put the link to it so you can get yourself one. If you want to watch the video when I reviewed exactly the same thing but just Apple CarPlay, click on the link above here, and also in the at the end of the video, and again in the description, and it will show you the quick review that I did when I installed this in the Audi. So what have you got to do to win this? Very little. All you got to do is you need to be a subscriber. You must be a subscriber to the channel. If you're not a subscriber, hit the link up here. Well, not up here, it's down there somewhere, but hit the link, subscribe to the channel, and then all you need to do is make a comment down below. Something like, I want this, anything you like, but I want this, and I will leave the video here for 7 days, and in 7 days time, so next Wednesday, I will pick a winner using a Google random number generator for the comment that I will get. I will count up the amount of comments I've got, then use a random number generator, and that number will win it. I will then say who's won it, and you will then need to email me at paul@love500.co.uk, and we'll get this winging its way to you. No cost to you whatsoever. So if you're not a subscriber, hit the button, subscribe to the channel, leave us a comment saying I want it, or I want one, or say anything you like below. As I say, 7 days later we will pick a winner. So that's it. Get yourself one of these for free. As I say, if you fancy buying yourself one, if you don't win it, because I don't know how many people are going to comment below, so I don't know what the chances of you winning it are, but it's going to go to someone for free. So drop us a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in a week's time, and I'll tell you who the winner is.